What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Verdexes here. Welcome back. We're going through the custom Excel template that is giving us a tutorial of formulas, and I'm just kind of walking through it. Last time, I kind of skipped over two tabs, but last time we went over the basics and introductions to functions. I did a separate video on average and min and max, so I'll provide a link for that as well. But as far as date and time, I thought that this was a good one. I haven't really covered this yet. So Excel can give you the current date based on your computer's regional settings. You can also add and subtract dates. So how many days, between what's it called, today and next Friday, right? Like things like that. That's what that means. So if we do start with the number one that they have, check out the today function, which gives you the today's date. Pretty straightforward, right? And close parentheses, and that's today's date. I don't know if I'm going to release this today, but that's today's date. If you ever, and this doesn't need a formula too, but if you ever need to quickly write today's date for whatever reason, if you actually just press Control and hit semicolon, no formula if you noticed, but that is just a quick way to timestamp it in. When you use the formula, though, this will actually update. So if I go back to today, and then close parentheses, so this will update tomorrow, the day after that. So what, I don't know if I'm taking away from its instructions, but it's a good way to kind of, if you use a problem like between two dates, you can use this as a countdown to how many days you have left. So if I subtract dates on number 2 here, enter the next birthday, enter my next birthday. Oh, I'm not going to put that. Format in cell D7, which is right here, and then watch Excel to tell me how many days are away. All right, so it's pretty similar to exactly what I was just saying, right? So let's just do 8/9/1989. And so the way that this came out was in a negative. If you want, okay, so let's see what this says here. If you don't want it to be a negative number, because you haven't entered your birthday yet, you can use an if function like this. So if D7, I'm sorry, I'm just kind of reading this for the first time. So if D7 is equal to blank. Oh. Okay, got it. So okay, so if there's nothing in there, the if function will work to kind of make it look clean. I don't see what the point of this is though. So if you don't want Excel to display a negative number because you haven't entered your birthday yet. Oh, so if you're uncomfortable with it not looking pretty, you can use an if function. Right, so and what an if function is if it's not this, then it's that. Right, it's a binary answer. For not sure why it looks backwards. Oh, because my year. Okay, see, this is where I think I screwed up. So my next birthday, right? So it wouldn't be. It wouldn't be. It would be this year. So that's why it would be. Yeah, I didn't understand that. That's my fault. Okay, well, yeah, so this is a very useful way to look at the dates. I think this is a nice tutorial. So that was subtracting. So now if we add the dates, let's say you want to know what date a bill is due, or when you need to return a library book. Oh, that's a very good idea. I don't know who rents those anymore. In D10, enter a random number of days, so how about 112? And you see in D11, we had a D6 plus D10. Oh, so from day, oh, okay, cool. So it kind of automatically updates for you. So today's date, like I said, it'll just keep updating, and then it'll just keep counting how many days you have. So letting you know. So this could keep moving up, though. This looks a little flawed to me. So Excel keeps dates and times based on the number of days starting from January 1st, 1900. Times are kept in fractionals. Huh. Well, I think I just ran out of time here. Oops.